नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। Myself, JVN Dr. Monica Trivedi, and today's topic is synthesis of the hemoglobin and general properties of the hemoglobin. So, as you know that the hemoglobin is a red pigment present in a RBC of blood. It is a conjugated protein, okay, or it is also known as chromoprotein. It is made up of iron in a protein, and its molecular weight is 68,000. Now, what are the disadvantages of the hemoglobin present in a plasma? It increases the velocity of the blood, and it increases the atmospheric pressure, osmotic pressure, and it will also increase the rapid distribution by the metabolism of the system. The hemoglobin is extracted from the kidney as well as, so if it is present from the plasma, it will not good for our body. So the normal value of the hemoglobin is for a fetus is a 16 to 18 gram per dl, and for newborn is a 28 to 24 gram per dl, and the transfusion from the placenta. Okay, so this is the structure of the hemoglobin in our blood. And for a 1 year baby, it is the 10 to 12 gram per dl, and for a males it is 14 to 17 gram per 100 ml, and for females it is 12 to 15 gram per 100 ml. So this is the structure of hemoglobin. The iron containing pigment called as heme attached to the protein globin. The heme is a iron porphyrin complexes called as iron photoporphyrin 9, the globin protein. So here you can see in this diagram the iron is known as a globin here, and the iron which is present in a Fe2 oxidation state, iron attached to the nitrogen atom to each pyrrole ring. On the ring, a loose bond from the oxygen and a carbon monoxide. This porphyrin nucleus by the 4 porphyrin, they connected with the 4 porphyrin ring, and bridge bond like methane, which is CH, and the side chains 8 side chains are available, in which the 4 is a methyl compound, and 2 is for vinyl, and 2 is for the propanoic acids. So this is the structure of the globin, which is present in a protein form. So it is made up of polypeptide chains. Globin is also known as HBA. It is also known as 2 alpha chains, and it contains 141 amino acids, and 2 beta chains, and 146 amino acids. So you can see the substitute of the beta unit and alpha unit and the heme protein. So the heme is attached to the globin and form the hemoglobin. So a 4 unit of the heme attached to the 1 unit of the globin. So one hemoglobin molecule contains 4 iron atom, which carry the 4 molecule of the oxygen. Now the synthesis of the hemoglobin by the 2-succinyl and CoA plus 2 of glycine, it will give the pyrrole. The 4 moles of the pyrrole converted into protophyrin 10, and the protophyrin 10 9 in presence of the Fe2 plus convert into heme. This heme combined with the polypeptide and give the hemoglobin chain with the alpha beta, and this 2 moles of alpha chain and 2 moles of beta chain convert into the hemoglobin A. Okay, this is the simple cycle of the hemoglobin, like a succinic and a galvanic glycine combine and made of the alpha amino beta keto acid, and this will convert into alpha amino, and then the propylpropyrin and protopropyrin 10, then it convert into heme, and by combining the ferrous iron, and it will give the hemoglobin. So this is all about the synthesis of the hemoglobin.